Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to turn your LinkedIn profile into a recruiter magnet step by step in 2026. Most people create a LinkedIn profile and wait for opportunities to appear. But recruiters don't just stumble upon profiles. They search for specific keywords, skills, and behaviors. If you want to attract recruiters automatically, your profile must be optimized strategically. Step 1, craft a magnetic headline. Your headline is the first thing recruiters see, so make it precise and keyword rich. Instead of just software engineer, write front-end developer, React and JavaScript, UI/UX focused, open to opportunities. Include your core skills, specialty, and availability. Step 2, optimize your summary. Your summary should highlight your achievements, skills, and career goals. Think recruiter first. What problems can you solve for an employer? Use short paragraphs, bullet points, and measurable results to make it scannable. Step 3, complete every profile section. Profiles with missing information rank lower in search. Include work experience, education, certifications, projects, volunteer work, and media like presentations or portfolios. Use metrics wherever possible, like increased sales by 30% in 6 months. Step 4, add all relevant skills and get endorsements. Recruiters filter by skills, so add technical and soft skills relevant to your field. Endorsements increase credibility and help your profile appear higher in searches. Step 5, use keywords strategically. Think like a recruiter. What search terms would they use? Include these keywords naturally in your headline, summary, experience, and skills. For example, instead of just marketing, use digital marketing, SEO, Google Ads, social media strategy. Step 6, turn on open to work with recruiter-only visibility. This tells recruiters you are actively looking without alerting your current employer. Step 7, show activity and engagement. Recruiters notice profiles that post, share, and comment regularly. Active users are seen as responsive, professional, and up-to-date. Step 8, grow your network strategically. Profiles with more relevant connections rank higher. Connect with colleagues, alumni, industry peers, and recruiters in your field. Step 9, update frequently and monitor analytics. Regularly update your skills, experience, and accomplishments. Check who viewed your profile and adjust your headline or keywords based on recruiter activity. Step 10, visual and social proof. Use a professional profile photo, banner, and showcase your work with media. Recommendations from colleagues or managers add credibility and attract recruiters. By following these steps, your LinkedIn profile becomes more searchable, more attractive, and essentially a recruiter magnet. You don't just wait for opportunities. Opportunities come to you. And that's how to turn your LinkedIn profile into a recruiter magnet step by step in 2026. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more LinkedIn career growth tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.